Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Capitec top-up voucher with the app. So unfortunately, I'm not being able to show you the Capital app due to security purposes, but I'm going to tell you the steps, and as you watch this video in your PC, you may go ahead and launch your Capitec application and start with the process. First of all, launch the Capitec application. Now, as you launch your Capitec, get logged into your account and you're going to have to select History. Under History, tap on Transact at the bottom dashboard and select Buy Vouchers. And then tap History at the top of the screen again. You're going to have to copy the PIN, so look for your recent top-up voucher purchase. Example, OTT or Capitec Connect, which could be anything. You're going to have to tap onto it and reveal the single-use voucher PIN. Now, the time is to redeem via network. So exit the application and dial the specific network recharge code in your phone's keypad to load the airtime or data. For Capitec Connect, you're going to have to dial *130 *888 voucher code and hash, and then press call. And likewise, guys, for voucher 1, you're going to have to dial *130 *3621 *3 voucher PIN. Now, as you have done that, you can simply call the number and simply redeem it from there. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.